very cold this past few days. I'm lying. It's been kind of cold this past few days, kind of fluctuating. So it's actually really good that we're going for a walk today around the neighborhood. And that said, today is a pretty chill day. We're not gonna do much, at least I'm not gonna do much. And we're just gonna have fun. Haha, psych. I guess we're not going for a walk today. It got pretty rainy after a few minutes of being out. We still had some fun. It was pretty enjoyable to walk for the little bit that we walk. But we're home now. Steven just left to the convenience store to get me some soda and an ice cream because we need the ice cream and we have a diet soda addiction, and that's okay. It's better than most stuff. And yeah, we're just gonna have a chill day of doing chores and taking it easy. So this house didn't come with a dishwasher and we recently got one, and I gotta say it's been like the best thing that Steven could have ever gotten for us. I've been using it so much and I do recommend it if anyone doesn't have a dishwasher and needs one in their home. Small one from Amazon. You just connect it to the sink, put everything to wash, and it's all done. As you guys can see, Sebastian has woken up from his nap, and now we're doing a little bit of tummy time. And later we're gonna play a little bit more. Change of plans. We're going for a walk in nature. We decided to actually go to a park instead of going on a drive. It actually got really pretty outside, so we're enjoying it once more.
How's it? Look at it, look at it. It's like, whoa, what's that in my mouth? Can I eat?
A little pit stop for feeding. Steven, how do you feel today?
I feel great. I had to run a little bit to entertain him, but it's a good workout. I'm happy to do it.
Yeah, they had me running, and I'm not a outdoorsy running person. I'm a treadmill running person.
I was doing little dances, just trying to like entertain him. So yeah, like I mentioned earlier, dancing while moving is basically just running. Yeah, I was accidentally running today.
Yeah, it was fun.
He seemed to like it. Is the magic gone? Oh, it's because the camera's recording, huh? There you go. There you go. Look at this. Look at this baby. Look at this baby. Laughter. Okay. I'm making the faces and you're not reacting. Come on. One more.
The magic is gone.
The magic is gone.